Hi, how you doing? So today I'm going to make this really simple but delicious chicken, tomato and sun-dried tomato spaghetti. I like to do this as a quick kind of midweek thing. They're so easy to make. I hope you enjoy this one. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here we go. 1 can of tomatoes. They're a whole plum tomato. I'm going to crush them roughly with my hand. I'm using spaghetti today. You can use any pasta you want. Get that cooked and ready. 1 chicken breast, no skin, no bone. I've cut that into nice kind of strips. 1 cup of onions. I've got some sun-dried tomatoes here, which are actually quite moist and flexible. If you get them, then they're really, really dry, completely dry. You need to soak them into some water, sort of rehydrate them a bit. 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 tablespoon of garlic. We're going to add some salt and pepper. Super easy. Okay, so I've got a little pan here. I've got some olive oil in there. We're on a medium heat. I've just put that on now. We're going to drop that 1 cup of onion. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some black pepper. Nice big pinch of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of, 1 tablespoon of garlic. And there it goes. Now we're going to add our chicken. Like I say, 1 breast of chicken, no skin, no bone. Cut that into strips, medium heat, 4 minutes. Keep it moving. We're well on our way. Next up, I'm going to drop in the sun-dried tomatoes, and I've just cut them into sort of bite-sized pieces. We're going to add that oregano, dried oregano. Really nice and easy and quick, this one. I'm going to get that can of tomatoes, which, like I say, I just crushed that up with my hand. We're going to stay on the medium heat and we're going to go for 5 minutes now. Absolutely wonderful, so fast, so beautiful. Next up, we're going to get our pasta. Like I said, I'm using spaghetti. I'm going to work that in there now for 3 or 4 minutes. Then it's ready to serve. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Really, really easy that is. If you want a bit of parmesan on the top. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hi, how you doing? Thanks so much for checking out our videos. Really, really do appreciate it. We're busy as ever. We're pumping out some fantastic food. Well, we think it's fantastic. So Chef June's got his own channel now. Please check that out. He's doing great guns on there, all in Tagalog, some fantastic food he's making. Rahel's doing her Amharic channel, which has been going on for some years now, and she's doing great. But please check it out if you want to know about Ethiopian food, although it is all in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. The vegan channel's doing okay. Could do with a bit of help, actually, so pop over there and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're doing fine. We're still here in Bahrain at the moment. It's very hot, as you could imagine, but yeah, happy as can be. Now, if you'd like to help the channel out, you could buy us a coffee, or there's a little link will pop up now maybe, or something will pop up or something. But yeah, if you want to support the channel, that would help us out a great deal. Really, really appreciate all of you sending messages and follow us, on a regular basis. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.